One toilet, 4 of us, my brother, me, my mom and dad. We came back home. I parked the car or something and somebody went in and I wanted to go urgent. So you know when you're in that mode, you start to dance. Your walk changes. I was doing like that. Seekro velya vaami. Ayyo mummy, seekro velya vaami. Come on, போய் கதவை தட்டுற. ஹேண்டில் இப்படி தொட்டு பார்த்தா டோர் ஆல்ரெடி ஓப்பன் ஆயிருக்கு. உள்ள யாருமே இல்ல. மம்மி வந்து எங்கயோ கிச்சன்ல இருக்காங்க. டாய்லெட் டோர் இஸ் ஓபன் ஃபார் me. We are many times like that. Do something God.
ஆண்டவரே ஏதாவது பண்ணுங்க ஆண்டவரே.
Move in my life God. Heal my sickness God. What is said? The door is open for you. You need to step in, you need to partake, you need to receive what I have for you. It's already given you all things that pertains to your life, that pertains to your future. So why are we not receiving?